Got this Kandi in, and the battery would not charge. It's just a stock Kandi battery. So if you have one of these Kandi batteries or one of these Kandi carts with this factory lithium and it's not charging, you can check this right here out. This is exactly what we've done. We've disconnected the power input. This is the power input wire here on the other side of the receptacle. Okay, first thing we've noticed, it's got a burn mark right here. Okay, so what we've done is we've taken a eco battery charger and we cut it off. We spliced it into an eco battery adapter and ran an extension cord. Well, when we did that, it would not charge. The reason it would not charge is because the plug was not plugged in. So this right here would not charge the cart, but what it did do is once we plugged this right here in and added power to it, it tripped the micro switch that's in this unit right here, and then the golf cart started to charge. We're charging here 18 amps, 50 volts, 99%, and this isn't plugged in at all because we've bypassed it. We run an extension cord straight to the charger. So there you go. So if you have a Kandi cart with a Kandi factory lithium, you need to check to make sure that the plug is charging or if it's not charging. So with that being said, I'm gonna link some of these plugs down in the video description below from Amazon. That is a lot cheaper than these Kandi ones, and you can check those out. Okay, see, it says it's charging over there, but it's not charging because we have bypassed it here. And basically this plug right here plugs in down here on this plug, which we took another plug, adapted it to this input here from the eco battery club car president, which you can just do this right here. You could actually just take this plug if you wanted to and give it power. Okay, and let's talk about this right here as well. Black goes to brown, white goes to blue, green goes to yellow and green. Like I said, we plugged 110 volt in here. It would not charge until we plugged this in, because this right here allowed the BMS to kick on and do the micro switch or whatever in there. Then it started charging. However, this right here is the culprit and this is bad. We can actually unplug this. Goodness, and you see, it still says it's charged. And a minute ago it was charging, even though this right here was not plugged in. So just a quick, a DIY that you can do. This one came in because it wasn't charging. They was wanting to do a different battery in here, but it turns to find out just this plug is the culprit, and this is what's bad on this unit. So like I said, I'll link some of these right here down in the video description below where you guys can check them out. Until next time, see y'all later. Bye.